This is a My Arcade Pac-Man thing, and this was very kindly sent in by Fanook. And Fanook says, "Hey Steve, follower from Toronto, Canada here. I have a recent Amazon purchase of a faulty My Arcade Pac-Man joystick player that when it arrived I put batteries in and it turned on just fine, except that none of the buttons work nor the joystick. It being Amazon Prime, sent it back, etc. The replacement had the same issues. To make a long story shorter, I contacted the manufacturer, let them know they shipped out a bad batch and they sent one that has everything working, so they now have one that's working. So I still have the original replacement with no working buttons and a non-working joystick. I opened it up to have a look, and all of the cable connector solder joints have this hard epoxy-like white goo on them that almost resembles what's on a blob chip. Might make for a really interesting repair video. And they also say, you'll also find in the parcel a little baggie of collectibles from me, which is this little bag here. So we've got some badges, a bandana, I think, and some stickers, which is cool. So thank you very much for sending this over to me, Fanook. Hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Right, well, let's have a look at this and pop some batteries in it, shall we? You can see it's got a USB-C port on the back. What's that for? So you can just power it with 5 volts, I presume. But let's try it with batteries. Nice. Okay, on. Yes, it does come on. Oh, so the home button works. That's like a reset. Yeah, that's a reset button. But 1 player and 2 player doesn't appear to work. Yeah, and that's... So it says press credit. Yeah, credit doesn't work. I can't go up and down on here. But reset does work. So, that's interesting. Or is it? Brightness works.
It's not your arcade, it's my arcade. Pac-Man thing not very well made. Not able to work straight from the box. Dr. Princess Wizard, it took many swaps to get one that works like before. Direct from MA, Christopher Shore. So what's the problem, Steve the Stove? Well, he bends, who on earth knows? Cool genius, let's try and find out. Ed McLaughlin, what this fault's all about. Brian Mitchell, web, more letter C. What looks inside after 3 TV. Charge Nut, Sorry Cat, Nate Lucas. Emma Westwood, Kim Hakes, Flux. My Countryman, Michael Biggie. Jonathan Harden, Get the Money. Ultra Silver 64, Kiss Ox. Scott Made a Thing, Andy Banks. Quick Tech Kev, John Krushik. My Nerd Cave, Steve's the Panic. Dr. Tammo, Crank, Super Andy, Mousy the Mouse, Handily. We only got one HHG to do, and that's the one and only Larry W. Peace.
Already, this is quite fiddly. The first thing I need to do is test the buttons, don't I? And that's on that board there, but I don't know how to get to those screws. Because unless this bottom piece comes out, the screws are up there. How? I mean, yeah, it does kind of look like that maybe comes out. There's a couple of screws here. Shall I try? Yeah. And obviously the joystick doesn't work either, so I need to get to that part of it. I also think all of these screws are different sizes, which is going to be fun. Yeah, slightly different. Aha! We have a non-visible screw. Still can't get it out. Is there another screw? No. There was definitely another screw. Oh, thank God. I didn't peel it back all the way to the end, did I? There we go. Still can't get to those screws up there. That's where the buttons are as well. How am I going to do that? How? Okay, well, when in doubt, take more screws out. That's what they say, isn't it? I have no idea how I'm going to get that out. I don't even think I could use one of those bendy screwdrivery things.
Bendy screwdriver thing, get yours now.
Unless, if I remove these screws, maybe the whole thing comes out. Let's try that. It's made no difference. How? How? It must come out. It must do. Oh, wow. I don't know how I did that, but I've got it out. Whew, jeez. Right. I can put all my pliers and little screwdriver bits that I've been trying to use, put them all away. Right. There we go. Right. Well, that looks... Oh, okay. I was going to say that looks different than the others, but that's because that was stuck there. Was that stuck in the on position? Maybe? No, surely not. Okay, so all they're doing is... Yeah, they're not physical buttons, they're just contacts on this board. And which is the one that was working? It was the home button, which is the one on the left. But there's 7 things here and only 4, and they don't appear to line up very well. Or is that just my imagination? No, they do line up. Okay, so it's every alternate one. So it's that one, that one, that one, and that one. And yeah, we can see that it's marked up as start 1p. That says volume. Okay, so they must have done one of these with 7 buttons on. Reset C, start 1 player, A 2 player. So that's the credit button, the C. Okay, and that one definitely wasn't working. Okay, well let's just see if they're going C. Huh? You see what I did there? C. Sorry. Let's see if it's going from there to one of these points here. It should be. So where's reset? Is that the first one? No. Yes, it is the first one. So they're going to be in order. Yeah, they're all getting there. Oh, apart from that one maybe. Oh no, there we go. Yeah. So I don't think it's a button issue. Right, I can turn this back on now. I wonder whether one of those was stuck in the on position. Put the screen back in. Is it going to come on like that? Should do, right? Okay. I mean, the joystick's not going to work, but let's use that on this pad here. Just double check the reset still works. Trying to get it to an angle where you can actually see it. There we go. Right, reset. Okay, that definitely works. And it says press credit, and that's credit, the next one. Oh. There we go. I think that was stuck in the on position. I think it was the credit one. Or maybe not, I can't remember. One of these was stuck to the board. Or I don't know. Maybe it wasn't that, but it's now working, so I mean maybe it won't work if I don't understand how these work. They're not... Sorry, I'm not finishing my sentences again, and it's really irritating. It's irritating me, and I'm the one doing it. Yeah, what I was trying to say is it might not work when it's back in. Maybe there's like an alignment issue. Let's put that back on. I won't screw it down just yet. Let's just hold it in position. Okay, credit. Working. 1 player. Reset. Unless, the only thing that's not connected here is the joystick. Could be the joystick that's putting the fault on. But right now, this is working. Let's reconnect the joystick. Oh, I didn't pay attention to which way round it's supposed to go. Yeah, I think it was that way. That doesn't seem to go in. There we go. It does. I just wasn't doing it properly. we're back on. Let's turn it on now. Put the board back on. Okay, and credit. No. So reset's working now. Credit is not. How weird. So it's the joystick that's putting a fault on it. That is odd. How can I verify that now? Can I unplug it? Oh no. No, stop it, Steve. Okay, well let's disconnect it again. Just to verify, just to 100% verify that that is the issue. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's have a look at this joystick. I mean, again, God knows how you get that out. Oh, that's easy. Just all those screws, Steve. Stop complaining. It's hard to understand why that wouldn't work. Why would that be putting that fault on? Unless one of these is like stuck in the on position. Can we test that? Altimeter and continuity. So we shouldn't have it between those 2 points until, there we go, till you press it down. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's working. Ah, hang on. Right, I think this is ground because we've got a common connection only on one side of the buttons, but check this out. It's on both sides of this one. And it's not for any of the others. Interesting, so I think it could be that. But so they're not... Oh, now, yeah, they are shorted together. I'm sure they weren't doing that before. So that's like it's permanently being pressed. That is the problem. I don't know how I'm going to resolve that problem. Is it worth just dropping some cleaner in it, some IPA to start with? Let me just check this on ohms. 13.5, so it's not a full short. Let me push the button down. There, that's 0. But when it's up, it's 13 ohms. So it's not a full short. That's weird. I think I'm going to desolder it, and then we'll see if we can have a look underneath, because the cleaning doesn't appear to have made any difference. I'm just going to add a little bit of leaded solder into the mix to make it easier to come off. Go. Nice. Don't really know how these things work. Oh, well now it's not shorted. So before we were getting a short there, well it was 13 ohms. That's on continuity. It's not beeping, so it must be. Yeah, it's gone. So is it on the board? It's giving me a reading, but it's what's going on? Yeah, 14 ohms. Okay, this is weird. What's causing that? There's the 13 ohms. So it's on here. There's nothing wrong with this. It can't be on here. There's nothing here. Wait, okay, let's take this cable out. Let's try it now. It's the cable. So with the cable in, it gives you a 13.5 ohm short. With the cable out, it's OL. There's nothing there. How is it the cable? There doesn't look like there's anything wrong with the cable. So between two of these points, we must have... Well, let's put it on continuity because it's easier. We must have a short. 13 ohm short. Well, that's the... it's very small, this. I'm not sure. I'm going to try putting this cable in the other way around. In fact, I can't remember which way it was anyway. I think it was that way. So let's try putting it in this way. I think this is going to be one of those things where I'm going to do this now, and it's possibly going to work. Okay, right, let's try turning that on now. Obviously, we're missing the button. Oh yeah, I need to put the button back in, don't I? Or do I? No, I don't, do I? Oh, let's just push it through there. Stop rambling, Steve, and get on with it. Still comes on. That's good. Let's try credit. It blooming works now. It blooming works. And that's exactly what I said would happen, isn't it? And I'm not normally right, but I was. Right, well, all I can put that down to is possibly something in here. I've taken that out, and now it's working. I've obviously switched it round, so it's facing the other way. Maybe there'll be another problem now, because whatever's wrong on this ribbon cable might now be in a different position, if you know what I mean. So maybe something else won't work. But I won't know that until I put it back together. But whilst I've got it out, I'm just going to give this a little clean. I'm just assuming that that is the problem. Let's give it a little clean, and then we shouldn't have to get back in this thing. Hopefully. Now let's put this button back on. Right, let's put it back together. Fully back together, obviously. Okay, let's see if it's working. It still comes on. That is a bonus. Is this going to work? Nice. No, ooh, that was close. Do you know what? I don't think I've ever completed a level of Pac-Man in my life. That was pretty darn good. Shh. So it's a bit of a weird one, that. I'm guessing that, depending on who puts these together in a factory, if they put that ribbon cable in one way, these work. But if somebody else puts it in the other way, then it doesn't work. And I can't really explain why, but there's obviously some... No, I can't explain it. But it was a simple fix. I mean, it was difficult to get into, but then what's new? And it's working fine now, so that's nice. So it was just a stupid ribbon cable, really.
Where I can run just as fast as I can to the middle of nowhere. To the middle of my frustrated fears, and I swear you're just like a pill. Instead of making me better, you keep making me ill. You keep making me ill.